How to fix Facebook full screen? In this tutorial, I'll show you several simple solutions that may help fix the problem. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Tap on Reels. Find a video and tap on it to open the video player. If the video isn't displaying in full screen, tap the full screen icon. If the full screen button isn't working, completely close the Facebook app and open it again. Next, check the App Store and make sure Facebook is updated to the latest version. Open the App Store on your iPhone, search for Facebook, and tap Update if an update is available. You can also restart your iPhone. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, turn your iPhone back on, and open Facebook again. If Facebook still isn't displaying correctly, try offloading the app. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap General, then select iPhone Storage. Find Facebook and tap on it. Tap Offload App, then Confirm. After that, tap Reinstall App and open Facebook again. Finally, make sure your iPhone's display settings haven't been changed in a way that affects the app. You can also check whether the issue happens with other apps or only with Facebook. And that's it. These steps should help fix the Facebook full screen problem on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more helpful Facebook and iPhone tutorials.